Here at Hauk Designs, we've built a lot of custom Jeeps over the years. When BILSTEIN approached us about building them a custom vehicle to showcase their shocks, we jumped at the opportunity. We located an ultra-rare 1974 Doka 416 Mercedes Unimog, one of only a couple hundred ever built, and decided it was going to be the perfect basis for the BILSTEIN project.
I think for this one we need a much cooler design. So let's forget about it.
So I've been friends with Jesse and Ryan, the founders of Roy Pitts Brewery, for the last 10 years. Jess and I have talked for years about the possibility of building a Roy Pitts beer hauling truck for them to take to local events. It just so happens we were invited by Chris, who runs the Ultimate Call-Out Challenge, to compete in the diesel rat rod build-off against Village Customs. What better opportunity to bring this Roy Pitts beer tanker truck to life and compete head-to-head at this new event.
From myself and the team at the UCC, we're glad that you guys took a chance on us, that you sacrificed the time, and congratulations to both of you guys and your team. So, thanks, sir.
We've been working with Matt and the team from DTO Customs for quite some time. We decided to team up on this Gladiator project so that we could showcase where people can go to buy a modified Wrangler or Gladiator right off the dealership lot. In addition to all the bolt-on parts that are going to go on this vehicle, we've got a few custom details that are going to set this Gladiator apart from all the rest.
All new episodes of Hauk Machines coming this summer to Amazon Prime Video.